thing I ask, one thing I seek, so much more than anything, to dwell within your house for all my days. Knowing you is everything, so I let go of lesser things. You alone are worthy of my praise. So stir in me a passion for your name, and fall like rain. Holy Spirit, fall like rain. Holy Spirit, have your